up again?
Yes, and once everybody gets situated.
Okay. Okay. Back up. Oh, nope, you're right. You're the brave one, huh?
Food.
Yeah. Okay, where's my pen? See, once they have the choice, they don't really want too much to do with it.
What? Look.
That's it. That's it.
They're
so sweet.
Look at them wagging their little tails.
Now, did somebody take a video?
Oh, there were a lot of people taking photos of the roundup and
Okay.
video and pictures and stuff. So this is great to have somebody take some pictures of the release too.
Now,
They
is
look
it okay
good.
to post these on Facebook?
Yeah, I would say so. That's fine.
Okay, we'll hit Facebook shortly. If I ever get back to Stanton.
Yeah. Oh, look at him go. Look at that.
Your friends are leaving. Go get your friends.
Go. Where are they going? Right for me.
What's he doing?
Is his leg all right?
He's just timid.
There's always one in every crowd. They're like, come on, dude.
Leave it without you.
I'm taking it out. Yeah.
She's really serious.
Well, this is so much fun. We weren't going to come, but we got in the line, and we were just going to go to the parkway, and we got in the line of cars, and then
couldn't get out.
there you were.
What I did too, it's like, well, you're a heck of
And
am I going to do this morning?
but then it was a commitment once we got off.
Yeah.
It was like,
And then it was a bigger commitment than I thought. Holy crap,
But this is what it's for.
yeah. Oh, this is why.